Hi guys, hope you had a good Christmas and all that. Got a bit of an unboxing today. This is the new X12 from rlaarlo. Little 1/12 scale, 4-wheel drive. Comes in two colours, so like a sort of Red Bull racing livery and a Williams F1 livery. And, a few warnings and bits. So 2485 brushless motor, 2 to 3s, comes with battery. Like I said, two colours, blue and green. I've got like this sort of Red Bull kind of livery. Nice box to be fair. 4-wheel drive, ready to run, 60 to 90 kilometres an hour. So let's get this open, have a little look. Okay. Bag, instructions, got a wing in there, got a charger, some tools, looks like some diff gaskets, got pinion gear, instructions book, some stickers and some leftover stickers. Controller is stuck in the box. rlaarlo transmitter, quite basic, but it does the job. It's quite small in the hands, but I'm sure it'll do exactly what it's meant to. Power button, throttle rate, trims, steering trims, probably the end points I expect, steering end points, steering trims, throttle limit. And the car. Oh. Okay. Nice. Suspension feels nice. Obviously the laser etched chassis. rlaarlo. Tear up the dirt. Out the dirt, rlaarlo. Off-road research group. Body tethers, which you normally see on the bigger stuff. Nice body, nice and thick. Protective film on it. So yeah, brushless motor. 3S LiPo. We'll get it out one-handed. Possibly, possibly not. Come on. Oh, struggle is real. 2200 milliamp, 3-cell LiPo battery. Brushless speed controller. Yeah, that seems very nice. So I'll get the wing on. We'll have a little look once that's done. Right, wings on. It's two little hex head screws. Come in a little bag, all nice and straightforward. There is two positions that the wing will screw on, two holes. And there's sort of like a shape in the back of the wing that encourages you to sort of put it in the sort of the more forward position. Again, open the bag up. So yeah, you've got obviously the remaining stickers, a couple of ring ball stickers. Obviously they must sort of mix. It all looks like the same thing. More of a tear up the dirt. I quite like that. Instructions manual. Normally pretty good on rlaarlos, to be honest, but this one's a bit more like a poster. But again, all the bits, all the exploded diagrams, troubleshooting, it's all there. Yeah, your little bit of spares. Like I said, you've got some little Allen keys, looks like diff gaskets. Yeah, looking at this is the high-speed pinion. Couple of cable ties and the sticky pads. As always, nice big sticker sheet, glossy sticker sheet. All the rlaarlo bits on it, which is great. Here's a little charger, little 11.1 volt 3S charger, 5 volt in, 2 amp hour out, so should take just over an hour I suppose. 2 amps too. Yeah, so it's not exactly the quickest thing, but it's good, gets you started. I've got to save this bit for on camera because this is like the sort of satisfying bit, isn't it? It comes off nicely around the tethers. Okay, good looking body. All printed, a little bit of sort of fake carbon fibre look down the side there. A bit of plastic on there, get that. Yeah, get that shortly. But yeah, well, as per normal, all the stuff I've had from rlaarlo, it's very good quality to be honest, for what it is. The next thing really, get that battery charged up, see what this is all about. Just having a final little look over this while I wait for battery to charge, which is taking forever. I've swapped off of the USB charger because, yeah, not the best, are they? But yeah, and it says that all of this alley on it is 70-75, so it should be quite tough. Yeah, nice little full-size 3-wire servo. Everything on these rlaarlos, from what I've seen, just seems really well done. So you've got a little slip clutch adjustment down in there. Obviously big CVs on the front, dog bones on the back, usual. Front and rear anti-roll bars, quite beefy. Obviously alley hinge pin holders, front two, back two aren't. I've had a look on rlaarlo's site, it's like £10 for a pair. Sort of see how it goes really. So yeah, overall quite impressed. I'm going to cut this video to an end. I think I've waffled on enough with this initial one, so I'm going to put this out as like an unboxing and first thoughts, and then when the battery's all done we'll get it out, have a bit of a run and do a running video. So yeah, hope you all like, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.